Hi guys, welcome to PKR Vibes Career and Growth. Today we are discussing about the topic name is long-term care in a healthcare domain. So just we have to know what do you mean by long-term care. So in the name itself, it is showing that it's for a long time of period. So just we have to know that in medically what is the understanding for the long-term care in medical way. So the medical and non-medical care for disabilities who can't service for themselves for a long period. So the medical and non-medical service for the people who can't service themselves for a long time. So that is called as a long-term care. So we have a care, medical care and non-medical care for the people for a long time who can't service for themselves. It is called as a long-term care. So actually this care was done at particular residence. It's called as a skilled nursing facility and a nursing home facility. So for example, there are two residents. If this care was done at a skilled nursing facility, it's called as a skilled nursing facility resident. If it was done at nursing home facility, then it is simply called as a nursing home facility resident. So then we have to know what do you mean by exactly skilled nursing facility, and what do you mean by nursing home facility, and what kind of benefits, what kind of services they are giving. We should have to know by differentiating both of them. Okay, the first one is skilled nursing facility. In skilled nursing facility, actually the place of service where the service rendered is known as a place of service, right? The place of service for the skilled nursing facility is the 31. So the first point is a resident with the presence of well trained nurses, to give the medical care for disabilities for short period. So in skilled nursing facility, the period of time for service is a very less, and it is a resident with the presence of well trained nurses. So skilled nursing facility means they are well trained nurses, so they are giving only medical care. So coming to the nursing home facility, this is also a resident with the presence of certified nurses to give the non-medical care. It's not a medical, it's a non-medical care for the disabilities for a long time. So here the difference we should have to understand that here there are a nurses, but they are not a skilled nurses. They are a just certified nurses by the doctors to give the non-medical care. So it's not a medical. They are giving only non-medical care for the people who got diseases. For long time they are giving this non-medical services. That is nursing home facility. Coming to the second point, disabilities or diseases are temporary because of doctors and specialized doctors or specialized staff. So in skill SNF there are a well doctors and well staff and well nurses, skilled nurses. So that's what the diseases will be cured in a less time. So that those diseases are temporary. Coming to the NHF, in NHF disabled diseases are for long time because they are not giving that medical care, just they are giving only non-medical care, and there are no doctors and no specified staff in nursing home facility. So that's what it is for a long period. The diseases are permanent in NHF in max. So coming to the third third point is rehabilitation care doesn't require long-term care. So here simple thing, rehabilitation nothing but the person who got disease, right? The person, if you cure in a less time, if you cure back in a soon, that is called as a rehabilitation. You get back in a soon time, so it is a rehabilitation. So nothing but rehabilitation care doesn't require long term care, means it will be done within short period. Coming to that nursing home facility NHF, custodial care, it's for a require long term care. Custodial care is nothing but this is the care, non medical care for the people who are in a coma. So coma people doesn't require any medical treatment daily, they are require only care. that is non-medical care like dressing, bathing, they require in that way. So that is custodial care. The place of service for the custodial care is 33. So the custodial care comes in a long-term care. So that will comes in a NHF pattern. So come to the fourth point. Medicare Part A will pay for SNF. So if in SNF the services are long time, not a long time, it's a less time. So that's what Medicare Part A will pay for that. So nursing home facility, the Medicare will not pay for nursing home facility because it is a non-medical services, first point. The second point is the services is for a long period, for a long time. So that's what Medicare will not pay for NHF. Medicare is only pay for SNF, that is only for that is only Medicare Part A, not Part B. So there is a condition for that also. So Medicare Part A will pay for SNF if the patient is eligible by the 3-day rule or 72-hour rule. 3-day rule or 72-hour rule, nothing but if the patient is a inpatient in a hospital for a 3 days. So 3 days is known as a 3-day rule. So in SNF, 0 to 20 days, if he is staying in a if he is getting medical services for 0 to 20 days, Medicare pays more. If he is getting the benefits from for example 20 to 100 days, if he is staying, if he is getting the medical care, then Medicare pay less amount and gives some fixed amount to the patient responsibility per particular day. If patient is staying more than 100 days, if the patient is getting medical care in SNF more than 100 days, then Medicare will not pay for him because that skilled nursing facility act as a long-term care. Skilled nursing facility act as a long-term care. For long-term care, Medicare will not pay. So there is some certain range. If more than 100 days, Medicare will not pay for SNF. If below the 100 days, a person who is getting the medical care in a SNF for till 100 days, only Medicare will pay. That 0 to 20 days, Medicare pays more amount. 20 to 100 days, Medicare pay less amount and apply the fixed patient responsibility per particular day. And behind 100 days, Medicare will not pay, and SNF, because SNF act as a long-term care. So long-term care will not covered by the Medicare. Simple is this. So Medicare, here one more point in nursing home facility. Medicare will not cover for nursing home facility, but if that patient is eligible for the state Medicaid, then state Medicaid will cover that nursing home facility. So this is the guys very important topic here. So thank you for your watching and thank you for your valuable time to spend here. Thank you so much. Bye.